YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. Do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. Guys, I'm on a mission to hit 100,000 subscribers. Hit that subscribe button. And also, I gotta let you know too, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. We just talking about cryptocurrency today. We just talking about what's trending. We talk about some Toshi, and we talk about Bitcoin, right? So let's get it pulled up. As you guys can see here, Bitcoin looking highly volatile, right? Starting to break down. It looks like starting to look pretty nasty, right? Total market cap coming in at a 2.68. Fear index coming in at 25. Bitcoin coming in at 81.6. Yikes, right? We talked about that war talk that was going on, and we kind of talked about the fact that that was kind of nasty, and you know, the NASDAQ might not respond well. Well, turns out that did be the case, right? And we are more than likely here going to see a retest of some of these lower ranges. Definitely probably going to hit 80K probably. I mean, I can't say definitely because there's somebody out there that's like, I'm going to take out a short right now. But this is pretty much like a short right here at the time of the video. See, we have like a rising wedge forming here. This would be a typical short, but I'm not telling you to go short the market. This is not financial advice. You gotta do your research and all that stuff. But look, you guys could see this shoulder head shoulder that was playing out. I told you guys in the last video, as a matter of fact, that if we create another shoulder right here, if we go shoulder head shoulder, that we're gonna see some sell-off in the marketplace, and that's exactly what took place today. A lot of sell-off in the marketplace, and in my opinion, this is gonna probably need to see some more sell-off. It's probably going to drop down even more. I mean, unless he could hold some support at 80K. We do have a big announcement tomorrow, that interest rate that they're going to talk about tomorrow. So that could push the market. But again, I don't think so. I think that's more than likely going to push the market down. And I think that, again, we're going to probably see that 68K. I actually put, I give you my predictions, okay? Probably 68K Bitcoin. 1100 to 1200 Ethereum is what I'm thinking on ETH. Thinking ETH needs to see some more sell-off. It just been lacking volume, and the chart is just looking, again, look, shoulder head shoulder itself, and it's about to break this neckline right here. And if it does, it could see some more sell-off again down to this 1100 1200 level, I would assume. Hopefully catch some support down in this range around here. Yeah, see, we touched over here, so it'd be like really low to like lows of where it was back in like pretty much way back here 2021. So we'll see though. We'll see. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section what you guys think your price prediction is for Ethereum. Also, let's talk about XRP, right? It's another big coin, another coin down today, 4%. Seeing some big loss today, right? Well, not big loss, but this. So XRP's pattern is not yet completely broken down. They could still be forming a wedge here. Seems like maybe they don't want to sell off yet, because if they do decide they want to fall off this cliff right here, it could really see a big correction, and XRP needs to be careful during this Bitcoin market correction. And it's not just Bitcoin, guys, it's the entire market. It's like the NASDAQ, the S&P, like our entire market is in the midst of a correction. And when that happens, Bitcoin corrects too. And when Bitcoin corrects, everything corrects. So these are times when you're able to get coins at cheaper prices. That's the way I look at it, right? This is just time where I could, you know, be looking for things at cheaper prices, but also knowing at the same time that things might be a little bit cheaper too in the next coming months, because I feel like this sell-off will take some time. Even Solana, I feel like Solana could probably go down to probably like $70, probably around like the $70 range around there. I feel like just throwing some price predictions out there today, this morning, I guess. But yeah, let's talk about some Toshi, right? So that's what you guys are here for, and that's what you guys want me to talk about, right? So you guys can see Toshi sitting on the 1 day right now at the time of the video. I just pulled this up actually, and Toshi coin is coming in also at number 10 on Dex Tools down 10% today, though, coming in at a 152 million market cap with 550,000 holders. It's holding up pretty nicely, actually. I feel like, considering Bitcoin just dropped down to 81, that's pretty big. That's gonna send some waves through the space, right? And Toshi coin, let's see how we're doing on the 7-day. Still up 18% on the 7-day. So we're outperforming still a lot of these other coins. I'm just saying, even though we are in the midst of a correction, the whole market is. But I mean, I feel like, again, look at everybody else on the 7-day, right? Look at all these coins on the 7-day. Who's beating us? Sorry, I got a food in the air fryer. Dang, bro. Okay. All right, bro. And then it stops. All right. Forget. All right. Anyway, so as you guys could see, we've been performing very nice. It's been very nice. Seeing some good volume. So I want to know what you guys think. As you guys could see, a lot of buy orders still coming in on Toshi. There's some sells, some big whales also joining or dumping right now. Actually, a couple people dumping, right? But at the same time, there's a lot of people also buying in, getting in this trade. So I'm definitely paying attention to it. Again, it's still a project that I'm long on. I'm dollar cost averaging into. Honestly, I feel like this correction might take, again, a couple months. I'm thinking like probably like 4 to 5 months. We'll have time to be looking for coins at cheaper prices like this. But ultimately, the market usually recovers. Bitcoin recovers. So I'm thinking that, next couple months, we'll probably see the interest rate get lower. And then when the interest rate gets lower, I feel like, well, I have some thoughts that I feel like is going to happen. But again, they're just predictions. They're just predictions of what I feel like is going to happen. But I feel like we're going to get some kind of stimulus check or something like that. They're going to start printing some money. It's going to be really similar to his last term in terms of like how the economy is growing, because it just looks very similar to this 2016 pattern, which is what I was saying and what we've been talking about. So that's kind of what I'm just paying attention to on Bitcoin. But I do think that there's a good chance that we could drop down to 68. Some people even think as low as 58 on Bitcoin, but I don't think it's going to go as low as 58. I think 68 is the rock bottom lowest. We still do have support at 78. We got a little bit of support here in this 80K range too. So again, maybe we'll get some news tomorrow out of the Fed and it'll be super bullish and the charts will send, and maybe I will be wrong and everything will go back up. But I kind of expect right now, again, that the market is just going to probably continue seeing a correction just based off of this Bitcoin chart. Let me pull this up on TradingView so we can look at it real time, right? We don't want to break below this neckline on Bitcoin, because if we break below this neckline, which is at 80K, then we're going to really see a big sell-off down to probably this neckline, right? And then that could see also, again, big sell-off probably down to like this 68K range where we have support back here in October. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. I don't think that it's going to get lower. Like some people thinking like we're going to go down to like 58K range, which is like September lows. But again, guys, if you look at Bitcoin on the all-time, it looks like a big correction, right? But then if you look at it on the logarithmic, it's really not a big correction. It's really nothing new. It's just how it moves. Just moves like that. And really, it's not like a dip like this. It's more looking like, again, more like this 2016, 2017 right now. We haven't seen, again, Bitcoin's not falling off a cliff right now. So we'll see what happens. We still have news tomorrow that can move the market in a big way. We still could fall down, right? Could happen. But I think it'll play out over time. I don't think it'll happen as fast as you want it to happen. And also, I think if it does happen, it just like Bitcoin just kind of like ticks away. It just kind of goes down a little bit. Like it'll go up, down, but still creating a downtrend. And then a lot of these altcoins, they'll just kind of like slowly bleed, but like a lot more for a lot more percentage. So just understand that a lot of bags are going to be really volatile during that time. Things will also be pumping though. There will be coins that will be pumping. I remember last time we saw a correction. Actually, we saw a Book of Meme Coin do a pre-launch and hit $1 billion. It was actually the first pre-launch that hit $1 billion, and it happened during a Bitcoin correction, during our last correction that we had. So I don't feel like that this bull cycle is over. I just feel like this is just a correction that's necessary. But again, I feel like the interest rates are already got lowered. They just announced that the interest rate was lowered not too long ago, and then we'll see tomorrow if they're going to lower it again. And then we'll see again if they're going to lower it in the future. The only way that one way that they're going to lower it in the future is if the market keeps going down like this. So they're going to have to do something. They're going to have to stimulate more people to want to get loans. They want to stimulate these bank loans. That's what I'm thinking. They want to stimulate the bank loans, and they want to get people like starting businesses, opening businesses. They're going to give stimulus checks, I'm assuming. Probably there was rumors of like a Doge stimulus check. Again, you got to do your research into that. That's just like speculation that I heard off of X, but that's kind of what I would expect to happen. And then again, once people start getting that money, just like last time, they bought into the market and altcoins sent. So it's, in my opinion, a lot of what is going on right now is things that have went on in the past. We watched Reagan do this back in the day. So yeah, I feel like Trump is just kind of taking a page out of Reagan's book in my opinion. But I mean, I feel like this could be bullish in the long term. So we'll see though. We'll see. I think that in the next probably 4 to 5 months, we'll see some probably turnaround in the market, and these altcoins really start sending like crazy. So that's just my price prediction. I feel like Toshi coin is holding up really good right now. Again, coming in the top 10, only down 10% right now in the midst of all this Bitcoin correction, sitting really heavy on this 1-day chart though. If we break down below this, we might see some sell off. Let's see where we're sitting at on the 3-day and on the 1 week, right? Also, check that out. Check out the 3-day. So, it's not very telling. Let's see if we can see anything else on that one. That's not looking hot. We got like a bear flag forming there on the 1 week. And that's because Bitcoin, honestly, I mean, we were looking like we were going to break above that. Even on the 4-hour, it's looking like we're seeing some volatility. And on the 2, but the price is not really moving that much. So again, in my opinion, Toshi coin's holding pretty strong right now, and the community's been pretty active on X actually too. We got a poll right now, guys, that has like about 2,000 people on it. Make sure you get on that poll. Make sure you follow me over there. Also, make sure you follow me on here, as a matter of fact too. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.